This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Tail light bulb replacement. Open the trunk, then remove the tail light filler panel fasteners and panel. Rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise and pull it out from the housing. Then pull the bulb straight out of the holder. Push the new bulb into the holder, then insert the holder into the housing and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Install the tail light filler panel and secure it with the plastic fasteners.